Hey guys, it's me Patrice and I'm really excited about today's video. If you guys know me, you already know that I love everything beauty, and today I get the opportunity to share with you guys one of my favorite new steamers, and that's the Dr. Dennis Gross Pro Facial Steamer. I got it from the Derma store online, and guys, when it came in I was so excited. I've been using it now for about 3 weeks and I've noticed such a difference in my skin, and I'm just ready to jump right into it and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so first things first, let's fill the capsule with water, put the top tightly back on, and then secure it back into the steamer and just cut it on. That's it. Alright, so guys, when I first get started doing the steamer process, I like to just open up my pores by just starting out a regular steam. And then I like to detox my skin. And when I detox my skin, I like to use the Revolution Pink Clay Detoxifying Mask. Now I do have other detoxifying masks that I like to use, but today I'm using the Revolution Pink Clay Mask, and it does dry up and it makes your skin very tight, and it just is a firming and tightening act along with a detoxifying. So this is really a good mask if you are looking for one. And then once you detox, then I like to exfoliate my skin, and I'm going to be using the Dermalect All Aglow All Over Scrub. Now you can use this on your body. I love to use it on my face, on my back, on my bum, and I also like to use it just like all over my skin. It does have pumpkin, walnut, almond, and cucumber in it, and it smells divine. When I tell you it smells good, it really smells amazing. So I like to use this, and I love to use this facial mitten. It's like an exfoliating mitten, so when I use the all over scrub, I like to use it with this. It just makes a big difference with exfoliation. You can use this mitten on your body. I'll be sure to link this, guys. Third thing I like to do is use this Dr. Dennis Gross C Collagen Deep Cream. Oh my gosh, this cream is absolutely amazing, guys. It is super hydrating, and it just makes your skin feel absolutely just supple, and you can just see a glow from the inside out just by applying this cream, because your pores are open, and so it's just going to go on so much smoother. You're definitely going to see a difference with this, so I'll be sure to link it. Okay guys, so this is the Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Brightening Treatment Mask. If you suffer from any type of dry or dull or tired looking uneven skin, this is the sheet mask that you want to try. I know for a fact that it brightens your skin, it gives you that supple softness, and it really has an intense hydration packed inside of this sheet. So I know I look crazy, guys, I know, but it's totally worth it. When I put this on and I sit underneath the steamer for just like 5 minutes, when I come from under there, it's amazing. All right guys, so I was fully rejuvenated after just steaming my face. I did it a couple of times, as you guys can see, and I just felt like it just really took my skin to the next level. So I do have on my makeup, and I just feel like it was so easy to put my makeup on. It just literally just melted onto my skin, so it doesn't feel like I have on a lot of makeup. I don't even think I really needed a lot of makeup after having this little self-care spa treatment here at home. So I'm gonna go ahead and link everything for you guys so you guys can give it a try yourself, or you can definitely go on Amazon. They do have so many other types of steamers for you guys to give a try, but this one is definitely top on my list. It does have a 3-step, and I'll put that information in the description for you guys to be able to see, but I definitely just feel amazing. I do like to do it in the specific order as far as the detox, and then exfoliating, and also putting on my moisturizer. Adding that extra time underneath the steamer with the towel really does give you a whole big difference. You'll see that significantly if you put a towel over your head. It kind of traps that steam in there with you. But if you do it the other way, you're still gonna benefit. But I think like just putting all of that steam and trapping it underneath that towel just takes it to a whole nother level. So yeah, so I'll be doing that 3 times a month and hopefully you guys will be able to tell me what you thought about it if you do get you a steamer or you try this one out. underneath the comments. I'd love to hear how you guys felt about it. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.